Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to change your credit card in Stripe. It's pretty simple and easy. First of all, make sure to log in with your right credentials into your account. After that, in the left menu, you can see in the shortcut section, select issuing. You will be redirected to this page. Now all you need to do, select cards, which is the second tab. From here, you will find all your credit cards that you did create. If you didn't, you just need to select create card. Select the necessary information like virtual or physical, and then select create. Now to replace your credit card, you just need to select it and then select replace. Make sure to specify the right reason. If you need to activate the card, you just need to check this box. After that, select replace card. As you can see here, the card is successfully cancelled. Now all you need to do, you just need to select create card and then create another card. Select create. Your new card is created successfully. If you go back to the cards section, you'll find your new card here. And that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.